So for the review, the Stay Quirky Super Matte Lipstick Minis comes in 2 kits, and I have the second kit. This set comes with 12 shades. All the shades are beautiful and suits dusky to deeper skin tones well, except for the 2 neutral shades. The pigmentation is really good. It gives you the perfect color in one swipe. These lipsticks are named Super Matte and I agree with it. It is not demi matte, it is not semi matte, it is not soft matte, it is actually super matte. There is a little shine to the lipstick, a very little shine, but it is a lot better than the Stay Quirky Soft Matte Minis. But this Super Matte Minis is far better. I like this one a lot. It does transfers but not a lot. There's still the color remaining on your lips. It stayed on my lips for good 6 hours. It started to fade after the 4th hour when I had a drink. The full size lipstick is 4.2 gram. For the minis, the entire kit is 14.14 gram. And you get 12 shades, which means each shade weighs 1.2 gram. Which is a very good quantity for the price you pay. By the way, the Super Matte Minis kit is priced at Rs 399. But you know, at purplle.com you can always get this at discount. I got this for 239, which is a steal. Now I'm planning to buy the other kit also because I don't think that any other brand will give you such a good quality matte lipsticks at this price. So this is my review for this lipsticks. Do subscribe to Beauty Made Easy for more such videos. Thanks for watching.